up until this point, I've been showing you how to add components manually and type all of this stuff in. But you'll quickly find that you're typing the same things over and over, because if you're doing a tile, you're going to need adhesive, installation, possibly things like a damp-proof membrane. And what we have here is under the Edit menu, Product and Template Database. Now, I should emphasize right away that this is not a database for multiple suppliers of thousands of products. The idea here is to keep it to a relatively small number of products, things that you use day in, day out. So, for example, adhesive, damp-proof membrane, surface prep, waste skip. You can add and change these to suit your own requirements, but it's not meant to have the full range of a manufacturer's products. It's not designed that way, and we feel it's not really necessary anyway, because in 9 times out of 10, any product that you're going to buy specifically for the job, you're going to be likely to call the supplier up and negotiate a special price anyway. So having a price list is probably more trouble than it's worth. However, what we have is a product, and what we have, each product has a product ID. So, for example, ADH means adhesive, and these are just ones that we've put in. You can change them to whatever you want as long as they're unique, and that means that it's going to be called a brief description is just a single word, really. In this case, adhesive. A more full description. Now, the cost center, you should apply it to either accessory, product, or ancillary. Most of these are all accessories. Now, one thing which is of going to be quite useful to really get right is the quantity used. So this means that each time you use adhesive, it's going to base it on the net floor area, okay? But you can apply an extra amount of waste on top of that. So, for example, if you're going to do 100 square yards of carpet tile, a room with a net floor area of 100 square yards, then that's going to pull out 100 square yards and add 5% to that. So what I'll do is, rather than I'll just show you how this works. Okay, so I'll save that list, and I'm going to put in ADH. And you can see that what that's done is instantly pulled all of that lot across. So then I can go to labour. And you can see that it doesn't put a rate in, because, again, rates for installation vary. And one interesting one is the first one, which is called top. And that means just pull in the main product. So what that's done is that's pulled in the carpet 1 12-inch product based on the gross area, unit cost, that's square feet. So I don't know, we'll put in 3. And that's done it. So let's just do that again. I'll delete all of those components, and I'm going to add one component. I'll put in top. I'll put in another component. I want some labour. Put in another component. I want some, let's see, pad. So that's underlay pad, and then I want to put in the, where are we? Tack. So that's gripper tack. So again, now all I have to do, you can see that these things have turned a sort of pinkish colour, which means that they haven't been set properly. So over here it says that the cost price is not set. So I just go up here and I say what this is going to cost us, and I'm going to say how much labour I want, and everything else has come in. Now this is a step up from the previous system, the previous way I was doing it, which was to type all this in from scratch. But you can see that by pulling in these products, it's set all sorts of things up for us. The product cost center, this means product, something you've got to go out and buy specifically. labour is installation, and access is accessories. So up here, automatically, it's split that up for you so that you can see roughly where all your costs are going.